I have connected my car and brake controller with using Bluetooth. I have created both of these using EV3 kit. I have used one EV3 brake, two large motor for forward and backward, and one medium motor for steering purpose. In control, I have used one brake and two touch sensors. I have programmed the car using two ways. In first way, if forward up button is pressed, the car will move forward. If down button is pressed, the car will move backward. If right button is pressed, then it will turn right side. If left button is pressed, then it will turn left side. And center button is pressed, then it will stop. Let's try. Let's try with another way. In another way, I have used two touch sensor. In touch sensor, when both of these are clicked, the car will move forward, and if right sensor is pressed and another sensor is released, then it will turn right side, and if left sensor is pressed and right sensor is released, it will turn left side, and if both are released, it will stop. Let's try. Thank you.